Police AB certified 2.5, €2,850 net Italian flag. If you are sailing now within cruise, fish, general cargo, or outside of Europe, and you really want to get close to your home, to Poland, we have perfect ro-ro ships close to Poland, Mediterranean weather between Barcelona and Italy, 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons, state-of-the-art, very modern ships, raw and nice weather, stable, long-term opportunity for all the Polish seafarers, able seamen. Like, subscribe, pass around all the groups. English is not required. These ships, the language on board is Italian, so we need to learn a little Italian, but it's not complicated. Thank you very much indeed for your time. All the best, Poland. Bye.